How do you access Magic Editor in Google Photos? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to access Magic Editor on Google Photos. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch into Google Photos on your device. After that, open the photo you have taken. Tap Edit at bottom center of the screen. And then in order to access the Magic Editor, the photo must be backed up to Google Photos. If it is not already backed up, you will be prompted to do so and just tap Backup. Once the photo is backed up, you will see an image icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap in order to enter the Magic Editor. Tap Backup and wait patiently. So this new AI tool from Labs offers features like sky enhancement, golden hour effects, and stylization. Simply you have to tap on Try Now button in order to begin. If you are not sure what to do, try a magic effect at bottom center of the screen. Tap Portrait. So wait for a while and it may take a few seconds to apply. You can compare the results and choose your favorite one. Once done, you can tap on the check mark at bottom right corner of the screen and save the picture. You can tap Save Copy and save a copy. So that's how you can easily access and use the Magic Editor in Google Photos. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.